This is Jared and Zero with Second Chance K9. Got Archie boarding with us. So we're coming out here on one of our nature trail walks. This guy's had his nose to the ground the whole time, so definitely enjoying it. All the new smells. Zero just ran and jumped in the lake. Get over here, you crazy. Don't scare those golfers. Come on, you knucklehead. That's his favorite. He loves to go jump in that damn lake. Little pond. They definitely enjoy it out here. A lot of rabbits. A lot of rabbits out at my place. We let them chase. So they get a few opportunities just to be a dog. And like I say, on these walks, we're not asking them to do anything except not to react to any other dog or person in a negative way. No barking, no growling. I know that he's leading, I know that he's pulling, I know that all that stuff. This is just a free walk for them to burn some energy. Like I said, not asking them to do anything. And he's really not pulling either. He's just trotting along. I thought there was going to be some other people out here, but I guess they went on a different trailhead than we did. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this video here and we'll tune back in when we get Archie back to the house for some treats and playtime. Thanks for watching.